Why spend money on store-bought chocolate-dipped strawberries when it's super easy to make them yourself? Hi, I'm Christine Waltermeyer and I'm the founder of the Natural Kitchen Cooking School. Here on Christine's Natural Kitchen, I bring you weekly recipes that are as delicious as they are healthy. Okay, let's get dipping those strawberries. Making chocolate-dipped strawberries couldn't be easier. First, start by melting your carob or chocolate chips. You can either melt these in the microwave, or I prefer to melt them in a big stainless steel bowl that I have over a pot of hot water. And then I use a whisk just to stir and melt them. So it's super easy. I don't even have a double boiler. It's just very old school and it works. So however you melt your chocolate chips or carob chips, basically it just takes really maybe 5 minutes or so to get the chocolate completely melted. And then we're going to dip our strawberries in there. Next, you're going to take your strawberry, and I like to use bigger ones like this, and we're just going to dip it into the chocolate. I have washed this and patted it dry with a paper towel. I'm just going to pat it dry again. You want to make sure it's not wet, otherwise it will repel the chocolate. Okay, here we go. And I'm using nice big strawberries that actually still have the stem attached. That just makes it a little easier to hold on to it. Just dip it right in there. And just evenly coat all the sides. It's up to you how far up on the sides you want to go. And that's pretty much it. And over here I have some wax paper ready to go. I'm just going to put the chocolate dipped strawberries over there to cool. Now at this point, before they cool, you have the option of adding some kind of little fun topping or coating, like a little bit of sprinkles. This one's too dry at this point, so we missed the boat on that one. We'll do another one so I can show you the coconut. Or you can do a little bit of flaked sea salt, whatever coatings you like. Chopped nuts would work well, or just plain. And you can also melt some white chocolate and make little zigzags. That looks really fun too. And they make vegan white chocolate. So you can see that these look really pretty. They're fun to make. Kids love to help make these too. You can keep some plain. You don't have to do the coatings, but it looks really nice. And this makes a beautiful gift too. And these will keep refrigerated for a few days. I wouldn't keep them any longer than you would normally keep strawberries. They won't keep indefinitely. But trust me, as delicious as these are, they will not stick around. Comment below what your favorite chocolate recipe is. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. And when you hit subscribe and the notification bell, you'll find out about new cooking videos when they come out every week. Thanks for watching and happy cooking!